In this video, we'll be installing the Composite Bulkhead kit. Today we are installing in a high-roof Ford Transit. Installation is similar for all composite bulkheads. This kit includes all needed hardware. This installation requires the tools shown here. For more detailed instructions, see the manual included with this kit. First, drill 5/16 holes at all dimple locations along the sides, top, and bottom. Next, loosely install the floor bracket to the bulkhead panel with the hardware provided. If installing in a high roof van, install the high roof header panel per the instructions provided. Next, remove the D-rings and grab handle from the B-pillar of the van. Keep for later use. Place the bulkhead into the van, driver's side first, ensuring floor bracket holes and side holes align with D-ring and B-pillar holes. Next, drill 1/8 inch pilot holes to mark roof mount locations. Move bulkhead out of the way. Then, use 3/8 inch drill bit to re-drill mounting holes. Install blind fasteners in the roof and side B-pillar mounting holes. Replace the bulkhead against the B-pillar and begin installing with holes located on the mid-brace. Then loosely bolt the grab handle back into place. And also replace the D-rings through the floor bracket. Bolt the bulkhead to the roof mount and B-pillar using provided hardware and tighten the D-rings.